for value. These are stocks that have been under our coverage, our radar. These are not recommendations, but just interesting anecdotes and data put together in terms of beaten down names and whether there are any turnaround triggers in sight. My colleague Abhishek Kothari is now joining in to talk about Punjab National Bank.
On my list is PNB. The stock has fallen about 49% in 2018 and it is down by 62% from its 52-week high that was made on 26th October 2017. What led to this fall was the PNB related Nirav Modi related scam of $2 billion, which led to the worst ever quarterly performance by PNB Bank, resulting in the highest ever quarterly loss owing to the fact that their gross NPA increased massively. So, along with worst asset quality, the capitalization also came to 5.7% in terms of the common equity tier 1 ratio. So this prompted many to think that the bank could go under the PCA, that is prompt corrective action framework of RBI. So what are the triggers for reversal? The government is confident that PNB can generate about 12 to 13,000 crore in H1 FY19, and this will be done through various methodologies such as sale of non-core assets, subsidiary stake, NPA resolution. So let's just highlight a few. PNB released on Friday to exchanges that they are looking to bring down their stake or monetize their stake in PNB Housing, ICRA, CRISIL and BSE. They are also looking at deal to sell their Bikaji Kama headquarters for 1300 crores, which are at its final stages, and resolution in stress assets like Bhushan Steel and etc. For example, Bhushan Steel can release 900 crore into the balance sheet of PNB, which will lead to higher profitability. So resolution in stress assets will also lead to their profitability increasing. Most of the stress has been recognized in the P&L of PNB, and therefore the incremental stress in the balance sheet of PNB is the lowest that I've seen over the last 4 to 5 years. The mixed review coming in from brokerages. Morgan Stanley maintains a buy recommendation with a target price of 125. Kotak Securities has an add rating with a target price of 90. Interestingly, Kotak Securities mentions that expect strong recovery and upgrades over the next few quarters, and medium-term outlook is less uncertain. While Nomura has a reduced rating with a target price of 75. So if you look at the peer comparison, if you take the top 5 PSU banks average price to book value, PNB is trading at a discount of 14% based on FY19 valuations and about 12% on an FY20 valuation. Standard disclaimer, this is not a stock recommendation, but just an analysis of where PNB stands as of now in terms of what led to the fall and what can revive.